Hello 8th standard students, welcome back to our channel Vidyarthi. We are discussing the worksheet 3 of algebraic identities, isn't it? So evaluate the following by using the identity 3. You know, identity 3 is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. But in this question, it is given 81 squared minus 19 squared. So we have to write in the reverse order. That means a squared minus b squared is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Yes or no? Because the question is a squared minus b squared. So we have to interchange the LHS and RHS. Okay. Now a is how much? It is 81 and b is 19. Now write, it will be 81 plus 19, a plus b, a minus b. It will be 1 plus 9 is 10, 1 plus 8, 9, 10. Here you have to put multiplication sign. Now 1 minus 9 means 11 minus 9 is 2. Here 7 is there. 7 minus 1 is 6. 62 ones are 62 and 2 zeros. Here you have to find the value. Evaluate. Now second sum. This second sum, it is all the same type. A squared minus b squared is given. So we are not writing the identity again and again. So a is equal to 290 and b is equal to 210. If you write this, it will be easy for you. A plus b, that is 290 plus b 210, a 290 minus b 210. 0 plus 0, 0, 9 plus 1, 10, 2 plus 2, 4, plus 1, 5, into 0 minus 0, 0, 9 minus 1, 8, and 2 minus 2, 0. Now 5 8s are 40. Now 1, 2, 3. 3 zeros. So answer is 40,000. Third sum, a is equal to 58, b is equal to 12. So a plus b, a minus b. A is 58 plus b is 12. A is 58 minus b is 12. You have to tell a plus b, a minus b. But while writing a, you have to put the value of a. 8 plus 2, 10, 1 plus 5, 6 plus 1, 7 into 8 minus 2 is 6, 5 minus 1 is 4. Now 7, put this 0 first. 7 6 are 42. 7 4s are 28, 29, 30, 31, 32. You got 3, 2, 2, 0. Now coming to the fourth sum, it is a is equal to, first you have to see whether it is in the a squared minus b squared. Yes, so a is equal to 176, b is equal to 24. Kabhi bhi exam mein it is a mixture of all, isn't it? So all the identities you will get together. So first you see which type of identity, then start to solve. Now a plus b, a is 176, b 24, bracket open, a minus b. Now add 6 plus 4, 10, 7, 8, 9, 10, 1 plus 1, 2 into 6 minus 4 is 2, 7 minus 2 is 5 and 1. Put these two zeros first. 2 2s are 4, 2 5s are 10, 2 1s are 2 plus 1, 3. 3 0 4 0 0. In all the sums you are saying it is either 100, 500, 70, 200. Either in tens or hundreds, so that the multiplication is easy. So this identity, it is easy for you for the calculation, isn't it? कोई भी ऐसे बड़े बड़े नंबर्स रहेंगे तो आइडेंटिटी यूज करके आप लोग कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो. नाउ हियर a is equal to 367, b is equal to 33. A plus b, a minus b. A plus b, a minus b. Add 7 plus 3, 10, 1 plus 6, 7, 10, 1 plus 3, 4 into 7 minus 3 is 4, 6 minus 3, 3 and this 3. Put these two zeros. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13, 4 3s are 12 plus 1, 13. So you got 1 3 3 6 0 0. Now coming to the last sum in this, A is equal to 545, B is 445. कभी भी लिखने के वक्त ऐसे डिजिट वाइज बोल के लिखोगे तो लिखने में प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगा. ठीक है. नाउ इट इज a प्लस बी, a माइनस बी. A प्लस बी, a minus b. Hope you are understanding how to write the values. Add 5 plus 5, 10, 4 plus 4, 8 plus 1, 9. Now 5 plus 4, 9 into 5 minus 5, 0, 4 minus 4, 0, 5 minus 4, 1. So it is 1 2 3, 1 2 3, 99 ones are 99, 99,000. So that was question number 2 to evaluate. Here it is given a squared minus b squared. Now coming to the third sum in this third worksheet, isn't it? That is, simplify the following by expressing these as the difference of two squares. That is a squared minus b squared. ऐसा वाला लिखने को बोले. लेकिन सबसे पहले जो नंबर दिया है उसको रीअरेंज करने का है ना. कैसे लिखने का है? बड़ा नंबर 107 कैन बी रिटन एज 100 प्लस 7. अभी दूसरा नंबर देखो 93. इट कैन बी रिटन एज 100 माइनस 7. रिमेंबर फर्स्ट एंड द फर्स्ट नंबर सेम, second and the second number same. Only the difference is the sign. One is plus, the other is minus. Now it is the third identity. That is a plus b into a minus b is equal to a squared minus b squared. अभी लिखो a is how much? 100 and b is equal to 7. That is a 100 square minus B 7 square. Now 100 square 1 2 zeros रहेगा तो स्क्वायर में 4 zeros minus 7 square is 49. Now you have to be careful. Subtraction. 10 minus 0 minus 9 means 10 minus 9 is 1. Now here it is 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. Here it will be 9. Here it will be 9. Here it will be 0. Because we are borrowing from the left, isn't it? So the answer is 9951. Okay. Now coming to the second one, 211 into 189. Bigger number 211 can be written as 200 plus 11. Now check 200 minus 11, is it 189? Yes. 0 means 10 minus 1 is 9. Now 9 minus 1 is 8 and 1. So first and first same, second and second same, only the sign difference. Now A is equal to 200, B is equal to 11. So A squared, that is 200 squared, minus B squared, 11 squared. 200 squared, 2 square is 4, 2 zeros means we have to put 4 zeros, minus 11 square is 121. Now subtract. 0 minus 1 means 10 minus 1 is 9. Here now it is 9 minus 2, 7. Now hundreds place, 9 minus 1, 8. Now thousands place, now here it is 9 and here it will be 3. You have to practice this horizontal subtraction. By practice it will be easy. You have to practice, okay? Otherwise you will be wasting your time. Now 195205. First बड़ा वाला लिखो. 205 can be written as 200 plus 5. And 195 can be written as 200 minus 5. Isn't it? So A will be 200, B will be 5. That is A squared, A plus B, A minus B. A squared minus B squared. A squared, that is 200 squared. 2 square is 4. 2 0, we have to put 4 0. 5 square is 25. Now 0 minus 5. 10 minus 5, 5. Here it is 9 minus 2, 7. Now here it will be 9. Here it is 9. Here it will be 3. Answer is 39, 39975. Okay. Now 308 into 292. So 308 can be written as 300 plus 8. 292 can be written as 300 minus 8. So A plus B, A minus B. A is 300, B is 8. A plus B, A minus B is equal to A squared minus B squared. 3 square 920, in square it will be 40, 8 square is 64. Now 10 minus 4 is 6. Now here it is 9. 9 minus 6 is 3. Here it will be 9. Here it will be 9. Here it will be 8. Answer is 89936. Now the decimal. Okay, 12.4 and 11.6. 12.4 is the bigger one. So 12.4 can be written as 12 plus 0.4. Now 11.6 can be written as 12 minus 0.4. And 0.6 plus 0.4, it will be 1. 11 plus 1, 12. Now a plus b, a minus b, a is equal to 12, b is equal to 0.4. Okay. Now a square, 12 square minus b square, that is 0.4 square. Now 12 square is 144 minus 4 square is 16. 1 decimal we have to put 2 decimal. So it will be 0.16. Now the decimal place, so subtraction it will be little bit difficult for you. So that is why we have to calculate. Because 2 decimal you have to take 0.00 minus 0.16. 0 minus 6, 10 minus 6 is 4. Here it will be 9 minus 1, 8. Here it will be 3 because you have taken here. So 4, they remain same. So answer is 143.84. In addition no problem, but in a subtraction you have to do the rough work. If you are confident you can do, otherwise it is better to do the rough work. Now coming to the last, it is 30.9 can be written as 30 plus 0.9 and 29.1 can be written as 30 minus 0.9. 0.9, 0.1, 1. 1 plus 29, 30. Okay. Now the numbers will be given in that way itself. The question is such. But still you have to cross check. Okay. Now a plus b, a minus b. A is how much? 30. B is how much? 0.9. Okay. Now a square, 30 square minus b square, 0.9 square. 30 square, 3 square is 9, 1 0, we have to put 2 zeros, minus 9 square is 81, 1 decimal place, we have to take 2 decimal place. Now again subtraction little bit tough, so 900.00 minus 0.81. Now 10 minus directly, here it will be 8, 9, 9, 9, 10, isn't it? 10 minus 1, 9, 9 minus 8, 1, here it will be 9, here it will be 9, here it is 8. Answer is 899.19. Is it okay? So this was worksheet 3, the third identity. Hope all students understood till here. Bye. Thank you.